everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete check-in on Facebook. So for that, first of all, you open the Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon. Tap that. Here you need to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line beside edit profile. Tap that. Inside profile setting, you need to click on manage post. Inside manage post, you will find all the posts that you have made and posted on Facebook. From these posts, you will be able to find the check-ins on Facebook. For that, tap on the filter. And in here, you need to tap on the go to on top. Now you need to tap on the date where you have checked in on Facebook. So I'm just going to tap on random date, click on OK and tap on done. Now this will show you the check-ins or the post that you have made on that particular day. You can see the date on the very top. Now you tap on the picture or the post, and from here you will have the option to delete. Tap on the delete icon on the bottom. Delete post. Remove selected post permanently. Once you tap that post will be deleted. Tap on delete post and the check-ins or the posts that you have made during that day will be permanently deleted from your Facebook post. So this is how you can delete checking on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.